Did Santa Claus come? What do you see? What do you see?
What's this? Who's that?
Oh. Go see. Oh, that is so cute.
You cooked us breakfast now. We're hungry.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Dude, look at all the stuff. Whoa. What's this? That's for Daddy. It's his wine glass. Can we make tea? You got the pink one.
That's so cute.
Dude, look at this. What's all that?
Oh, look. You got a rolling pin? Fun. You can make us some biscuits.
Paige, say Merry Christmas. Paige, Merry Christmas. Paige, say thanks, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
Oh, you're so cute.
You have your phone now.
I know. Thanks for repeating that, by the way. Apparently, my brain doesn't work.
Oh.
Oh, are you trying to stack your glasses? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes. Oh, you can wash your hands? What else can you do? Yes. Do you have your own kitchen?
Wow, get the pots down.
What do you think? Yeah, you like it?
Say thanks, Santa. Clean down our big chimney. Your big furnace.
Uh-oh.
Hooked it up.
Uh-oh. Did it get your finger? Mommy, you kiss it. You want Mommy kiss it?
Don't mind me.
Those look like all clad.
I do.
Of course you got all clad for your first set of pots and pans. What are you gonna cook for us? What are you gonna cook for us? Ooh, it looks like the heat's on your skillet. I brought that other kind of bacon too. Yeah. Oh yeah. You making us some scrambled eggs? Yeah. Look at Grammy. Ho, ho, ho. What you doing? What are you doing? Are you cooking? Yeah? Are you having fun? Hi. You're so excited, huh?
Merry Christmas, dude.
Blow Grammy a kiss. Mwah. Can you blow me a kiss?